My name is Aaron Gaynor. I'm the owner of Eco Plumbers, and today I'm out back to explain our 9303 drain clearing special and 1-year clog-free guarantee. We do have some questions about this offer sometimes, and I'd like to verify what that is. First thing is, we're gonna come out and clear the line, which would mean your main sewer line. So if you have a backup with the main sewer line, we're gonna clear that line. And if for some reason we can't, it will be free, as the offer states. It also will come with a 1-year clog-free guarantee, and I'll get into details of what that is. So let's get started and explain what's happening. We're gonna send out one of our drain specialists to clear your main line. And once we get the flow going to your plumbing system again, we're gonna take a look at what happened. One thing I do know of being a plumber for 23 years, that sewer lines do not back up on their own. They're definitely not designed to back up. So from there, we're gonna send out one of our camera specialists to take a look at that sewer line with you in person. And then we're gonna verify what is happening. With your permission, we'll put together some additional options potentially. 1, might need more cleaning. 2, we might have a repair. 3, might need a replacement. Or 4, might need a trenchless liner. Either way, there will be no obligation to that work. I wanna make sure it's clear. Once you have the inspection done, it will come with your 1-year clog-free guarantee. We would love to earn your business, but at least you have a peace of mind of knowing exactly what happened to your sewer once we leave.